I did a review of the Fetch Rewards app back in 2020, and since then there have been a few changes to the app, so I wanted to do this update video for you guys and give you guys my updated review. If you are interested in watching my original review video, I'll go ahead and put the link down in the description below. And by the way guys, my name's Tobias, welcome to my YouTube channel. If at any point during this video you decide that you do like this video or that it helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. And let's continue. So there's pretty much going to be 4 sections to this video. So first, I'll just give you guys a brief summary of how the app works and what it does. Then I'll go over the main changes that they made to the app since 2020. And I'll give you guys a quick demonstration of me scanning some receipts and redeeming my points. Then third, I'll tell you guys about an issue that I had with the app, and I'll clarify some of the rules with the app. And then 4, I'll answer the 2 most common questions that I get about the Fetch Rewards app, which are, how does Fetch Rewards make their money? And 2, what do they do with your information? And I'll go ahead and put the timestamps to these different sections down in the comments below in case you want to skip around in the video. And just really quick, I will put my Fetch Rewards referral link down in the description below. If you use my referral link or my referral code to sign up for Fetch Rewards, you will get 2,000 points automatically. It is 100% free to sign up. And I just have to say this really quick, if anyone is planning on misusing my referral code, or if you're trying to do something sketchy like use my referral code to create multiple accounts, just please do not do it. Fetch will ban you from the app, and this can also cause my account to get disabled. This has happened to me in the past, and I'll talk more about it later on in this video. So let's start off with a brief summary of the app. So Fetch Rewards is an app which will give you points for scanning receipts. Every 1,000 points pretty much equals $1. And I'll tell you guys why I say pretty much equals $1 in a minute. And you can redeem these points for gift cards. If you look here, you'll see that there are a ton of different gift cards that you can get. I typically just get the Amazon gift cards because I always order stuff on Amazon, but you can go through and see if there's anything else that you like there. The other way you can get points is through referrals. And in my opinion, this is actually the most effective way of getting points. You will get 2,000 points for every person that you refer after they scan their first receipt. And they will also get 2,000 points. And every once in a while, they'll even have promos. Like right now, they're actually having a promo where you will get 4,000 points for every person that you refer, which is pretty much like getting $4. So that's like pretty cool. So referrals are a pretty good way to get points. But even if you are getting referrals, I would still recommend that you scan receipts because most people get receipts from grocery stores or like fast food places. And if you don't scan those, you're pretty much throwing points in the trash. For example, check this out. If you were to buy this Hop Valley beer, you'd get 2,000 points. So I definitely say scan all of your receipts because those points do add up. And you can also connect your Amazon account to the Fetch Rewards app and you can get points for purchases that you make on Amazon. And when it comes to redeeming points, I actually recommend that you wait until you have at least 5,000 points. Because as you can see here, if you want to get a $3 Amazon gift card, that's going to cost you 3,500 points. But if you wait to get a $5 gift card, that will cost you 5,000 points. So then you can get that $1 to 1,000 points ratio. Now I'll go over the main changes that they made to the app since 2020. Back in 2020, the app could only be used for grocery receipts. However, now you can pretty much scan any kind of receipt, like fast food places, gas stations, retail stores, almost anything, which is really cool. Types of receipts that you cannot scan are like movie tickets, concert tickets, salons, and some other kinds of service providers. If you check out their help center, it tells you exactly the types of receipts they accept and what they do not accept. And I'll go ahead and put a link to that down in the description below. And the second major change that they made is that back in 2020, over a time span of 7 days, you could only scan 14 receipts. And now they've increased that limit, so in a span of 7 days, you can scan up to 35 receipts. And now I'll show you guys a demonstration of me scanning some receipts and redeeming my points. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Fetch Rewards app, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the camera down here, click on Snap, And I'm gonna go ahead and scan these receipts. So it shows you right here what info they want. They want the store, the total, and the date. Just go ahead and snap that. And see, it was able to get all that information, and then I'll just go ahead and snap the rest. And submit. So I got 25 points for that one. 25 points is pretty typical for like a fast food receipt. Usually if you want to get more points, the grocery receipts are the ones that really give you the most points. And then yeah, let's just go ahead and snap this other one. It didn't get the store. So I'm actually not sure if Presto Pasta is actually acceptable by Fetch Rewards. I'm not really sure. I have a feeling it might not be. Well, let me type it in. Oh, yep, it worked. I got 25 points. Now I'm going to go ahead and redeem my rewards. So I'm going to go to the rewards section. As you can see, I have just under 9,000 points. So I could get a 5,000 point gift card. So I'm just going to get a $5 Amazon card. So I'll go ahead and click this, get my $5 reward. Just wants to confirm that that's what I want to do. Use points for reward. Cool. It says it takes up to 3 days to process your rewards. In my experience, it never takes 3 days. Usually it takes like half an hour or something and then I get my reward, but it could potentially take up to 3 days, especially if you have a brand new account. So I'm just gonna hit got it, and yeah, that'll come in probably pretty soon, and that's all you do. All right guys, so it took about 10 minutes or so, but my reward is ready. So I just clicked on this little image of the present down there that takes you to your rewards, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. I'm gonna have to blur out the code and everything, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, copy the gift card code. Then I'm gonna click on view gift card, enter the security code here, put paste, activate. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this code. I'm going to click on apply to account. I'm gonna have to put in my password. I'm gonna go ahead and paste the code right here, apply to your balance. And now I have $5 applied to my account. And now I'm going to talk about an issue that I had with the Fetch Rewards app. So some people, and apparently it was more than one person that tried to do this, they decided that they would use my referral link to create multiple accounts to get the 2,000 point sign up bonus. And I of course had no idea that this was happening. And this of course does violate the terms and conditions of Fetch Rewards. And since these people were using my referral link, Fetch Rewards disabled my account. One day I was just unable to get into my account anymore. Luckily, I ended up being able to speak to a Fetch Rewards representative, and they were able to get me my account back. But they did tell me that if this did happen again, they would permanently ban my account. So don't try to do anything sketchy with the Fetch Rewards app. Use the app honestly, and if you do get your account banned, you will lose all of your points. And there's actually one rule that I just want to clarify really quick. So back in my original review of the Fetch Rewards app back in 2020, in that video, I said that you could scan Instacart receipts, but apparently you're not allowed to scan Instacart receipts. So I just wanted to mention that really quick. And now we'll move on to the two questions I get asked the most about the Fetch Rewards app. So one is, how does Fetch Rewards make their money? And from what I saw online, it looks like they make their money 3 different ways: affiliate commissions, interchange fees, and market research. I believe affiliate commissions is probably where the majority of their revenue comes from. For example, when a customer buys a product that is being featured on the Fetch Rewards app and then they scan their receipt, Fetch Rewards will get paid a commission from that brand, and the customer will receive a certain amount of points. The interchange fees come from the invite-only Fetch debit card. So when a customer uses this debit card, the merchant will have to pay an interchange fee. This fee is charged by MasterCard, and Fetch Rewards receives a portion of this fee. And market research, of course, is information sold to companies for marketing purposes, such as what demographic of people is buying a specific product. And the next most common question that I get is, what does Fetch Rewards do with your information? And when I was going through the Fetch Rewards privacy policy, which I will go ahead and link down in the description below in case you do want to check that out yourself, what I saw is that they may share your information with their participating brands. And I'm not 100% sure, but I have a feeling that this is where the market research portion of the company comes into play. And they may also share your information with their business partners and third parties who basically make the app function. If you are someone who is really concerned about privacy, you might want to just go ahead and read through their privacy policy, which I will have linked down in the description below. It's quite long, and when I looked through it quickly, I didn't really see anything that seemed alarming to me. And as for the type of info that they collect, I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen, but it kind of seems like basic stuff like your name, date of birth, all that kind of stuff. The privacy policy is pretty long, but if you are concerned about that, just go ahead and read through it. So yeah, as for my updated review of the Fetch Rewards app, I've been using it for almost 2 years now, and I still like it. And like I said in my original review of the app, I wouldn't recommend changing your normal shopping habits just for the sake of getting points, because you might end up spending more money. But in my opinion, if you are going shopping anyway and you have receipts, you might as well get some free gift cards out of them. And once again, I will put my referral link down in the description below, along with my referral code. Thank you so much to anyone who decides to use those. I really appreciate that. If any of you have any questions about the Fetch Rewards app, feel free to ask me down in the comments below. And if you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. I upload a whole bunch of different kinds of content to my channel. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!